Hi guys, let's jump straight into the video. I'm back with another 5-minute trending nail art tutorial. Some of these videos end up being less than 5 minutes, so I hope that's okay. But honestly, the shorter the video, the easier they are to do, to be honest. But today we're working with spring colors. It's officially spring, allergy season is upon us, and fun fact, I actually don't have allergies and the pollen is messing with me, so that's why I know the pollen is pretty bad. So if you have allergies out there, I feel your pain. But anyway, we're working with like spring colors and Easter colors. Easter was actually like 5 days ago, so if you celebrate Easter, happy late Easter. I top coated my nail first. I always top coat my nail before I do line art. I just feel like it just allows the brush to glide onto the nail very easily. And then I went in with this really cute pastel green, and then I'm using my daughter tool to make 5 dots, and then I go over the dots again just to make them a little bit bigger because I wanted this flower to be, medium on the medium and large side. And then I'm taking that same pastel pink and I am going to start in the center of the petal and just drag the brush back to the dot that was created. I think this is the easiest kind of technique to do summer and like spring flowers. But yeah, it's like you're doing like a triangle, I guess, back to that dot that you had already like previously did. And that is how you do a spring flower. I really feel like these tutorials are super simple, but like I said, I really want to just bring trending nail art to you guys. I know it can be kind of confusing, but I want to show you guys that it's not that hard. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next.